In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to initiate call on WhatsApp. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you are connected to a strong and reliable internet connection. So the next thing you need to do is to look if you are connected to any VPN. So if you're connected to any VPN, you want to disable that VPN or just simply disconnect. Then the next thing we can do is to go to our Play Store or our App Store and search for WhatsApp. So let us see if the WhatsApp Messenger application has any updates. So if it has any updates, you want to update your WhatsApp application to the latest version. So if it still doesn't work, what you want to do is go to your phone settings. Now go to your app settings. Now search for WhatsApp. Now select WhatsApp. Now go to storage. Now simply clear its cache. So I hope all of this method works for you. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.